गोविंद दोनों खड़े, काके लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपने, गोविंद दियो मिलाए. Yes, indeed. It is a guru who enlightens the path and helps us find our purpose in life. It is said that since God could not be everywhere for everyone, so he created parents to look after the child. Later, he sent teachers in child's life to awaken him from the slumber of ignorance. Good morning, everyone. I am Divyanshi Gupta from Prudence School, Dwarka 16. I am not afraid of storms, for I am learning how to sail my ship. India has witnessed many such gurus who played a significant role in enriching the life of their Shishyas. There wouldn't have been Sachin Tendulkar without his Guru Ramakant Acharekar. We got the pride of Indian wrestling with Jendra Singh from the sheer dedication of his Guru Jagdish Singh. Vivekananda considered his Guru Ramakrishna as an incarnation of God and owed his entire learning to his Guru, who enlightened his path. Dronacharya's teachings immortalized Arjuna. There wouldn't have been any success stories without the guidance of a Guru. Today, we all feel equally blessed to express our heartfelt gratitude to our Honorable Chairman Sir, Dr. G.S. Matharu, for being our guiding light and a source of inspiration. Sir, your vision towards cause of education is unparalleled. We feel empowered and enriched under your guidance. It is our privilege to be in your gracious presence on this momentous occasion. Thank you, dear teachers, for being our anchors, for teaching us handle both success and failure gracefully, and for encouraging us to have faith in self. Let us all together pay a humble tribute to all the teachers by unveiling the magnificence of the event with a lamp lighting ceremony.
कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः.
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः.
ज्ञानप्रदाय गुरवे नमः. रीश्वरनन्दितश्रुतितत्त्वाय गुरवे नमः. गमगधीभावरसलसिताय गुरवे नमः. मम विधिं रागनरहरिं तं सद्गुरुं नमः.
गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. गुरु not only educate the minds of the students but educate their hearts too. Guru is the one who dispels the darkness of ignorance and ignites the fire of curiosity to enlighten the world around. Paying tribute to all the teachers, I extend a warm and convivial welcome to our revered Chairman Sir Dr. G.S. Matharu for gracing this occasion with his benign presence. Sir, your vision of creating leaders and visionaries for Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat is worthy of our gratitude. Your enterprising attitude to reach the zenith of perfection by fostering every individual talent is a source of inspiration to all of us. You inspire us to believe in ourselves and motivate us to chase our dreams with elation, determination, and dedication. It is our privilege to be in your presence for your empowering discourse.
My dear teachers, this day, the 5th of September, is an auspicious day. Let me wish all our dear teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Education for the future has left the harbor and is on the high seas. Prudent schools not only make an effort to manage the situation that comes with the change, but always make sincere efforts to lead the change. I feel great to address the teacher on this special event every year. To celebrate Teachers' Day is one of the most commendable events. It is an opportunity for me to share few words about teachers, the role that teachers play in schools, and their influence on the students. This is because teachers contribute so deeply in shaping the future of a nation, that is, students, and guide them in becoming ideal citizen of the country. The teacher's job is not a simple task. It is full of responsibility and challenges because every student is not the same. Teachers have to be dynamic and adopt different teaching pattern for different students. Teaching is a social practice and more than knowledge. A teacher must be a good human being who can very well shoulder the responsibility of the job and understand the sensitivity of the situation where students from different backgrounds come together for learning. Teachers need to apply skills and knowledge to the best of their capacity while teaching. Technology is cutting across geographical boundaries and giving opportunity to those far and near. Have we equipped ourselves well enough for this new connect? Dear teachers, as facilitators of learning and guide of young learners, it is indeed time to readjust our sails as per the direction of the winds of change. We are heading towards more demanding and challenging shores. It is time for each one of us to break free from the old system which holds us from growth and progress. I am sure our teachers have developed the capacity to shift and change, added the required skill, reduced the burden and integrated originality, laughter and joy into teaching and learning. My dear teachers, you have been pillars of emotional strength and helped your children explore new ways of learning. You have taken on different challenges and problems that often come in our ways. Many of you have joyfully made strong efforts to push ahead to the new paths. I sincerely salute your passion, courage, and spirit. I visualize our teachers with a multidimensional persona with talents, potentialities, positivity, encouragement, compassion, and cheer for the children. In the fast changing world of today, where new ideas, values, and concepts are fast replacing the old ones, the importance of quality education for any student has further increased. The education has to unfetter a person from narrow world view and the boundaries of caste, community, race, and gender. Teachers have taken the responsibility to train the young minds to understand the world and make it a better place to live in. To achieve this, teachers can play a big role and they can make their performance meaningful and useful to the society. The responsibility assigned to you is a very delicate task and therefore must be executed with great thought, detailed attention, love, and care. I would like to take this opportunity to recognize and appreciate the work of the teachers of Prudence Group of Schools. They have worked in an exemplary manner even during challenging period of COVID pandemic with a view to giving the best to the students. They have kept the interest of the students as paramount and have gone beyond the call of duty to do everything possible that will educate and empower our students. I wish you all a very best once again on this special day. I pray for your success in your efforts to give the best to your students. In the end, I would like to thank all our teachers for the dedication and commitment they demonstrate towards their students and the institution. Thank you very much.
Whispered. Feeling gratitude and not expressing it is like wrapping a present and not giving it. Today, on this momentous occasion of Teachers' Day, I, Alaya Jain of Prudence Dwarka 22, take the opportunity to put all my gratitude into words. On behalf of the entire Prudence fraternity, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to our Honorable Chairman, sir. Thank you, sir, for sharing with us your words of wisdom. Your inspirational words have carved a deep influence on each one of us and have surely added to the charm of this event. And now, it is time to groove to some good music, the amalgamation of music and melody. Jugalbandi presented by the teachers and students of Prudence Dwarka 22. Let us take time to acknowledge the talents among us who have made this day a magnificent one.
लड़खड़ाते हैं हम, थाम लेते हैं आगे वो, खो जाए राह तो राह रोशन करते वो, कभी मुस्कुराते हैं वो, कभी गुस्सा करते हैं वो, हमें है यकीन हमसे प्यार करते हैं वो। दिए की ज्योति से तुम्हें होती ये दुनिया इतनी हसीना होती, हमें भी सलीका न होता, जीने का तरीका न होता, ओ टीचर तुमसे ही पाया है सभी, ये भूलेंगे ना तुमको हम कभी, ओ टीचर तुमसे ही पाया है सभी। छोटे छोटे कदम लेकर जब आए तुम मुझ तक, जब थामी तुम्हारी उंगली ऐसा लगा उस पल, जो कुछ भी पास है मेरे तुम पर लुटा दूं मैं, अपने आंचल की छाँव से तुमको सहला दूं मैं, कुछ ऐसे तराशूं तुमको हर हुनर उमंग बहे, कदम जहाँ भी रख दे बस विजय ही विजय करे, तुमसे ही खुशियाँ तुमसे ही सपने सारे ख्वाबों को पर मिले, कितने मेरे बचपन से मिलाया तुमने, नया ढंग सिखाया तुमने, बच्चों तुमने ही पाई है खुशी, हंसी रंगों से भर दिए जिंदगी, हम बच्चों तुमने की पाई है खुशी। गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा, गुरुर् साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा, गुरुर् साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः, तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः, तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
That was a beautiful
beautiful amalgamation of music and melody performed by the Plutonites of Dwarka 22. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, the hope that gives us strength is our teacher. On this wonderful occasion, let us take the opportunity to convey our wishes to all of our teachers who have made wonderful contributions to ensure that the future is bright for all of us. Without any further delay, let's get ready to witness a sensational and alluring dance performance dedicated to all of our teachers on the special occasion of Teachers' Day by the students of Prudence School, Ashok Vihar.
विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरुर् साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरुर् साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः
Dedicate this song to you because you care for me. With you I feel safe and secure, you really care for me. If something happens in the class that brings me down and makes me sad, you're there for me. And when I'm stuck and don't know what to do, you're there to guide me. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. I wanna dedicate this song to you because you care for me. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher.
बिन गुरु नहीं होता जीवन साकार, सिर पर होता जब गुरु का हाथ, तभी बनता जीवन का सही आकार। गुरु ही है सफल जीवन का आधार।
शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया। आज जो भी है हम सब है आपकी ही बदौलत, आपके समर्पण को सलाम। शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया।
हाथ थाम के आपने है हमको सब सिखाया, माफ की गलतियां संभाला जब भी लड़खड़ाया।
शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया।
To all the teachers we have met in this life, a very happy Teachers' Day from all of us, and thank you for making us enabled. Shukriya.
Wow, I'm totally mesmerized. Wasn't that an enthralling performance? I couldn't stop tapping my feet. Well friends, that's not all. There's more to come. After all, it's a day for our teachers, our lovely teachers, who hold our hand, open our mind, and touch our heart. It is rightly said, teachers change the world, one child at a time. We students are immensely blessed and privileged to have got such wonderful teachers who guide us, support us, empower us, educate us, and make us believe in ourselves. Today, as we show our gratitude to our teachers and celebrate this day, we also honor the memory of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who along with being a professor, philosopher, politician, the first Vice President of India and the second President of India, remained a teacher throughout his life. His birthday is celebrated to honor the great teacher that he was and for us to thank the teachers and mentors in our lives.
खड़े काके लागू पाए बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद दियो बताए. This famous couplet written by the famous poet Kabir Das throws light on the importance of teachers in our lives, and we students would like to thank our dear teachers once again. I would like to extend a vote of thanks on behalf of the entire Prudence team. A heartfelt gratitude to our respected Chairman Sir for his benign presence. I would like to thank all the mentors for their guidance, which made this event successful. Once again, Happy Teachers' Day to all. 3 cheers for our teachers. Love you all.